everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have a haul for you guys, and this is a JOANN's haul. And I wanted to show you my letterboard. Now this is a letterboard that's from Target, and but the icons here are new, and I got them at JOANN's on clearance, with the exception of the letters here that spell my name, my YouTube name, and my little emoji here. But the rest of these come in a pack, and they are, let me go ahead and start off with that. They are part of the DCWV letterboard, and this one is specifically called Boss Lady, and it's on clearance for $247. Now, I don't know if they're still on clearance, but you can definitely check your JOANN's. And right now, they are having sales, and I think the one online is only 50% off, but I do have a coupon that I will make sure I will leave for you guys, and maybe you can just take a picture of it. I think it'll still work that way, but it's this one here that I got when I shopped at JOANN's, and it's 50% off one regularly priced item from May 27 to June 13. So that's pretty good. So this is a good coupon to have right now. You can still use it also at Michael's. Okay, so yeah, this is the letterboard, and as you can see, there are all the icons, except this one, sorry. But all these, really cute. Now the only thing that I was wondering is, because my letterboard is not the DCWV letterboard, it doesn't stay on as well. Now if I keep it flat like this, or I keep it like this, it's definitely not going to fall off. But the little peg here, or whatever this is called, it's so tiny that now as you can see here, the one from, I guess it's about the same size, but it only has one little peg, versus these are a little bit thicker, and there's at least two on the letters. And so I don't know how well this is going to stay on, but for now we'll see. But I just think they're so cute, and even if I decide not to use it on my letterboard, I could always just cut this off because it is plastic, and these are just great to use as embellishments too on my projects. So that's why I got them, and it was only $249, so I had to get them. So let me just show you the other sets, because I did grab more. So from the other sets, sorry guys, there's just like so much here. So these are the other letterboard icons that I got, and this one is called Spring/Summer, and I hope I'm in frame. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I stay in frame. And look how cute they are, you guys. And you can't really see the bunny here, but let me just show you. Now, I don't know why there's hearts here, because that's kind of like Valentine's Day, which is in February. So I'm not sure why they included that in there. But, it, you know, I see this Easter egg and the bunny. So look, you can see the bunny a little better here. And those are the icons. So I'm going to check out and see, because I don't know, maybe I need another letterboard. We'll see. I didn't want to really invest in a big letterboard because I really don't know where I'd put it. So I do like the size of my small one. But yeah, I don't know if these are going to stay. Now the other thing that you can do, which I did do with my letterboard, let me show you. This one right here. For the crown, of course, this is just an acrylic piece from, I think from Hobby Lobby. Because this is felt, I was able to put just a little bit of, you know, that piece that you have for your Velcro. It's the rough piece. That's what makes this kind of stick on there. And that's the only thing that I can think of to maybe put and add to these here so they don't fall off the letterboard. But for now, this will suffice. I don't have this on my wall or anything. You know, I just use it when I'm doing my videos. So anyway, I thought I'd just share that. So there's one. This one is the words, and you can see the words here. Now these are kind of big, but I think they'll still they will still fit in my letterboard. Sorry. And those are the words. So that's really cute, right? I love it. I love the font. And then I got this one. This one is Love. And I just love the little cute roses, and I just think it's so pretty, and especially I like this. And I think this is great for Valentine's Day. And then just to show you, that's how it looks. Sometimes it's hard to see because of the glare. And then lastly, I did get, now I do have some emojis already, but these are really colorful ones. And, you know, you can actually see the faces better, so that's why I got this one. And I do love the little bike and the telephone. So, and then there's this hello. You can see it better here. Okay, so, yeah, those are a few things that I got from JOANN's. It was mostly about my daughter because she went to go get some fabric and some thread, things like that she needs for her doll. So we did get a yard of this. Now the fabrics are on sale. I think they're still on sale. These were 50% off yard. And so I want to say she paid, I think, $4.99 for one and maybe $5 for the other. So she just really liked this particular pattern, so I had to get this one versus the little, she's still going to use the little fat quarters that I got her. And then she got this one, and this one is gorgeous. I may just have to cut a piece of this for a project or something. I don't know yet. But it's just gorgeous. And this one is by, let me see. These are all 100% cotton, you guys. I think it's 100% cotton. This one's by Fabric Traditions, Patty Reed Designs. And it's just really pretty. And she's kind of doing like a mermaid theme on one of her dolls. And it just has sparkly glitter on it. It's very, very fine. Hopefully it doesn't come off in the wash. Actually, it's for her doll, so I know she's not really going to wash it. But we got a yard of that too. So that is the fabric that she got. And I'm kind of talking soft, you guys, because my husband's taking a short nap with my dog right now. Yeah. Okay, and then I don't know about this section at JOANN's because I went to a superstore this time around. Not the the one near me is not a superstore, so they have very limited. They have just, you know, they don't have a really good selection, and I don't even remember them having a little party section. But this is called Cheer and Company. And look at this baker's twine, you guys. I absolutely fell in love. It's pink and gold, and you get so many, and I don't know, I just couldn't help it. It says 300 feet, and I think this was regularly $5.99. Let me see if I can find my receipt. Regularly $5.99, and I got it for, how much did I get it for? I used my coupon because this was regularly priced. And so I got this for, where is my coupon? I don't know. Must be on this one. Okay. This one is $5.99. I got it for $2.40. So that's pretty good, you guys. And this will last me a while. From that section as well, I found this and I just fell in love, you guys, because they're little crowns. These were $3.99, and these are large treat bags, 10 count, so you get 10, and I got this for $2.49. So let me just pull one out and share with you guys. So it's a gusseted, it's like actually like a lunch bag. So it is gusseted on the bottom. So this can fit quite a bit. And look how pretty that is. It's a crown, and I love that it's light pink. I could not help it, you guys. I had to grab it. And since it was on, you know, I used a coupon. Now they let me use my 60% coupon, which I did use for the twine, because that was the most expensive. She let me, and she even reminded me, she let me use a 50% coupon and the 40% coupon. I mean, how awesome is that? The only thing that they wouldn't let you use is the like 25% off the entire sale. I mean, the entire purchase from Michael's. They didn't let you do that. And another thing that I fell in love with were these paper straws. Now I have a gazillion paper straws, but I absolutely love the little tag that comes with it. If that's what it's called. It says 20 paper straws with, I think it's with tags. So let's try this out. I just love, love, love this. So I had to see how this was gonna look. And it's just, I think it's just gonna be so cute for Happy Mail. Look at that. It's, how adorable is that? I just love it. I love it. So yeah, I had to grab that one, and look how cute that would look. Well, I can do a crown too, you know, but look how cute that would look with the bag. So just for pretty Happy Mail packing. Love this. So had to grab that, you guys, because I just could not help myself. And then lastly, I did check out the papers, but I didn't want to like get a bunch of papers again. Oh, before I show you that, I just have to show you this Ofray, the flowers. They are sequins flowers. Can you guys see that? Let me just open it. They are just the prettiest, and I wish they had more colors, but these are the only ones I found. And the only other sequins flowers that I have, I bought at Michael's. So I just think these are so pretty, and these are just gonna go well with a project that I'm gonna be working on. So I had to grab that, and that was not on sale. I think I did pay, how much did I pay for this one? I don't know, it was like $3.99, I think. So that was the only thing I think that I might have paid full price for. Or did she give me a discount? I don't remember. But I really wanted this one because I hadn't seen it. So really, really pretty. And then I decided to get the Maggie Holmes Gather. Is this Maggie Holmes or is it just crepe paper? I think it's Maggie Holmes, but I just think it's so pretty, so I decided to go ahead and grab it because it was on sale. The papers were 50% off. I'm not sure if that's still the case right now, so just check out your JOANN's, you guys, because I don't know. Oh, look, it comes off easily. Lately they've been super sticky, and sometimes they just don't come off. You guys probably have seen this because this is not new. This is not the latest Maggie Holmes. This is 2016 from last year. But I had to get it because of the ballerinas and the swan and the deer. I just think it's so cute. And I think there's horses also in this one. Am I in frame? Let's see. I'm going to do a quick flip through. Make sure my camera is still rolling. And you have this marbling, you have this wood grain. like panels. Here are the horses. Not that crazy about the orange, but that's okay. And then you have the blues. You have this one here, which is like paint splotches or streaks. You have these black and or off-white and black. These, they kind of look like, I don't know, fringes maybe. You have this one. Not crazy about that. This is pretty. It's like a peachy color. Love the tickets. And look at the swans, you guys. Wow, I may have to pick up the 12 by 12 in this when I do decide to do a project. I'm not going to do it now. I'm slowly like building up my Maggie Holmes collection. And the reason I got this is because in case I do find some of the ephemeras, and aside from the fact that I do like Maggie Holmes, I'm thinking, you know, Tuesday morning sometimes have ephemeras, and I just thought I'd pick it up. I mean, it was on sale. It was only $2.50, I think, or $2.40 something, 47 maybe. $2.49, sorry. See, look at the ballerinas. So I said, why not? I have room for the 6x6. I just don't have any more room for 12 by 12, so I have to just seriously stop buying 12 by 12 papers. Literally, I had to buy another iris box. But I'm going to be creating some projects soon. So, isn't this pretty? I love this. I love this mint. I just think it's so pretty, and I can't wait to do like a Maggie Holmes project. I haven't yet, but I have so much to work with now that I think I'm going to have to soon. So that is what I got for myself, and then I'm not really going to show you guys the stuff that I got for my daughter because, you know, that's just like sewing stuff, and she's already using things, so I think I've kind of like put it aside already for her. But anyway, that is my haul for today. I hope you guys like it, and if you're interested in these icon letterboard, you know, hopefully you find some on clearance as well, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.